and welcome to the announcement of the 2022 African Power and Energy Elites Awards. Awards such as these give us the opportunity to acknowledge and celebrate excellence in the power and energy industry. The nominees and winners show determination in positioning Africa and its people first through growth in the power and energy market. Of particular note are the number of innovative approaches to projects that took into consideration the needs of end users. Before we begin with the actual announcements, it is important to give a special thanks to our esteemed advisory board. We are incredibly grateful for their time and guidance and the effort that they put into evaluating each nominee against set criteria. It was not an easy task, as all the nominees are doing such exemplary work. Here's Teresa Smith, Senior Content Creator for ESI, to give a little bit more information on the Off-Grid and Micro Applications project category.
The Off-Grid and Micro Applications category is applicable to projects that demonstrate the growth in the development of off-grid and micro technologies that have made a positive impact on communities by increasing energy access, productive use of energy, ease of purchasing electricity, or growing electrification rates. The nominees in this category are Port Harcourt Refinery Complex in Nigeria, power and water kiosks in Rwanda, and the Wuse Market Mini-Grid in Nigeria. And the winner is Off-Grid Box for the power and water kiosk project in Rwanda. Now, the Power and Water Kiosk project is a pre-assembled, containerized system that can be deployed within 3 hours and withstand harsh conditions. In this pilot project, a 6 kilowatt solar-powered kiosk provides off-grid customers with electricity, rechargeable batteries, Wi-Fi, and purified potable water. Congratulations, Off-Grid Box. Your tech solution sits at the very crucial nexus of water and power. But more importantly, it is changing the lives of people right where they need it the most.
Thanks, Teresa, and congratulations to our winners. Media Simudekwa, Program Manager in ESI Africa, has more information on the Utility Scale Generation project category.
The utility scale generation category is applicable to projects that fall within the scope of large-scale grid-tied projects. We are talking here about any technology that is part of an expansion, new build, or refurbishment initiative. All these projects have significantly improved power generation efficiency, capacity, and energy access. And the nominees are Alpha Share Solar Power Plant in Sudan, Excelsior Wind Energy Facility, South Africa, Plug and Play Tulia Plant in Madagascar, Western Cape Power Generation Project, Sierra Leone. And the winner is Alpha Share Solar Power Plant, Sudan. Now, the Alpha Share project is the first mega-scale solar plant in Sudan. On clear days, the generation capacity reaches over 31 megawatts, with an average of 25 to 28 megawatts per day. This capacity is equivalent to saving 7 tons of genset fuel oil every day. Frequently, the daily energy share of the plant reaches above 40%. Well-deserved success. A huge congratulations to the Alpha Share Solar Power Plant in Sudan. We wish you all the best.
Congratulations on these amazing achievements, and thank you, Media C. Up next is Pelo Silwanyana, Head of Delegates for the VUCA Group, with the Smart Solutions project category.
Open to tech advancements, the Smart Solutions category looks at improving the grid stability and modernizing the utility sector. The nominees in this category are Cecilia Makiwane Hospital, South Africa, Okramesh Grid, Nigeria, and Utility 2.0 Twake, Uganda. And the winner is Okramesh Grid, Nigeria. The Oka Mesh Grid initiative is an electrification pilot project connecting 200 households in a remote village in Nigeria. This smart plant connects to an off-grid system using mesh grid hardware and software, forming energy sharing clusters. So a huge congratulations to Okra Mesh Grid Nigeria. We wish you all the best.
Thanks, Pello, and congratulations to our winners. I'd like to ask Nasi Haku, editorial assistant for ESI, to announce the nominations and winners for the Startup Corner project category.
The Startup Corner is a new category in the elites that explores companies with at least one established project in the African market. These projects provide energy, power, or utility service access through a plant, system, or tool. These include, but are not limited to, grid-tied plants, off-grid solutions, pay-as-you-go systems, innovative funding or technologies, and smart mobility initiatives. The nominees are B-Pearl Biogas from Uganda, Red Sea Power from Djibouti, iSolar PayGo from South Africa, and Zimbo Sabantu from Zimbabwe. And the winner is iSolar PayGo from South Africa. This innovative project uses a pay-as-you-go solution, along with big data and machine learning, to transform low-income households' access to affordable solar energy and finance through a partnership with a mobile phone company. In 2020, iSolar's Digitize the Township and Rural Economy initiative secured seed funding to scale their initial 4,000 customers across 8 informal settlement communities. The technology uniquely increases access to clean energy financing for low-income consumers by using mobile technology to remove barriers such as high loan and banking transaction costs, difficulty in vetting credit-invisible consumers, and predicting their repayment risk. Congratulations to iSolar PayGo for their impressive innovation. We look forward to hearing more from you in future.
Congratulations all, and thank you, Nasi. Last but not least, I'd like to ask Nicolette Pombo-Fancel, the editor of ESI and of the African Power and Energy Elites, to speak about the leadership category.
The leadership category accepted nominations from the industry's influencers, people who are innovative in their approach to improving power, energy, and utility value chains on a project, country, or regional level. These leaders challenge the status quo and set benchmarks or new pathways around project design and development or engineering and technology applications. They also play a direct or indirect role in improving regulation and inspiring project finance. From the 15 leaders featured in this year's Elites magazine, the top 6 nominees, as voted by our readers, are, in alphabetical order, Daniel Klink, founder and CEO of East African Power; Hasnain Yavarosan, CEO of Group Philatex; Mike Vet, the Group Head for Capital Raising at Kuche Development Corporation; Ricardo Pereira, President of the Mozambican Renewable Energy Association; Tayo Banana, Managing Director of SBS Burkina Faso; Victoria Adaha Anthony, the Program Officer of Climate Smart Nigeria. And the winner is Sayo Banana, the Managing Director of SPES Burkina Faso. Sayo Banana is an economist specializing in negotiating public-private partnership contracts and overseeing the construction and operation of solar power plants, such as a 30-megawatt power PV plant in Burkina Faso's capital city, Ouagadougou. His expertise extends to management of socio-economic, environmental, and solar engineering studies, including grid-connected and decentralized technologies. The Elites Advisory Board also commented that Sayoba's work is impressive so early in his career and that he is paying it forward, guiding youth development. Congratulations, Sayoba, on being voted the top-ranking leader for the 2022 African Power and Energy Elites. May your efforts continue to inspire others to work in this sector and to increase energy access across Africa.
Well done to our nominees and to Sayoba Nana. Before I close, our commercial sales lead, Stephen Campbell, has an announcement.
2023 nominations are now open for these categories: leaders, off-grid projects, utility scale projects, smart solution projects, and startup projects. Do you know of any trailblazers or innovative projects that are at the forefront of moving the power and energy sector forward? Well, now is your opportunity to enter a leader or a project of any of these categories. In order to do so, you'll need to prepare responses to several questions when nominating. The online form is now open, but you are welcome to contact us to find out more. And while we're talking about opportunities, now is your opportunity to align your brand with the African Power and Energy Elites and to be at the forefront of innovation while supporting Africa's leaders of today and tomorrow. To take up this opportunity, contact Amelie Lozano on the details provided below.
It has been such a pleasure to be part of the 2022 African Power and Energy Elites Awards. The spread of nominees and awards across Africa has been humbling and exciting. From Nigeria to Rwanda, Sudan to Madagascar, from South Africa to Mozambique and Burkina Faso. These are stories that should inspire and encourage everyone who works in this sector, setting the bar that we should all aspire to. Thank you to our advisory board, our sponsors, and all those that nominated a project or a person. Please continue to do so and shine a light on excellence in Africa. Visit ESI Africa to find out more about the winners of this year's African Power and Energy Elites 2022.